Hello, young minds. Welcome. Today I am here with the new topic, that is there exists a space between matter. So to prove this single statement, I am here with the one activity. So to do that activity, required materials is a glass and water and a spoon and marker pen and etc. Okay. So now let's do the activity. So I have said that required materials a glass and a water and something etc. So I have taken glass, and in that glass I have taken some amount of water. Okay. So like this, if you want to do that do this activity, you should take a glass and you should fill some amount of water in the glass. So next what we have to do means we have to mark the water level. Okay. So now I am going to be mark the water level. So you can see. So this is the marker level, water mark level. Okay. So now what we have to do means we have to dip a spoon in this water. Okay. So now let's dip a spoon in the water. So you can see here the water level rises. So why it is happening like this? You can observe little bit the water level rised. Okay. So for the very clarification, I will show you another example. So I dipped my hand in this glass. So what happened here, you can observe the marker level in the brownish color. You can observe it. So you can observe it very clearly. When we have taken water, it is up to here only. But when I dipped my hand in the water, it rised almost. Isn't it? Yes. So why? So okay. Now I am going to be do something interest. Okay. So let's do that. So I have taken sugar in this spoon, and I am going to be add this sugar in the water. So okay, let's add. So we have to be add the sugar in the water, and after adding that we have to stir the spoon thoroughly till the sugar dissolve in the water. Okay. So the sugar dissolve in the water. Okay friends, but here the water level doesn't increase. So why? Okay, let's add one more time. So again I have taken sugar in the spoon, and I am going to be add the sugar in the glass. So same, we have to stir the spoon thoroughly till the sugar dissolve in the water. So that the sugar completely dissolve in the water, and now you can observe the water level doesn't increase. Here is the brownish color. Here is brownish color, you can observe, but the water level doesn't increase. But when I put my hand in this water, the water level rised up to here. But when I added sugar two times, even though the water level doesn't increase. So why? What is the reason behind it? Okay, now let me tell you. So friends, but what is your observation? What is your conclusion from this activity? Okay, now let me say. So that the observation and conclusion from our activity is that the solids and liquid have some space between them. Hence the solid particles, nothing but these sugar particles. Sugar particles are solid or liquid or gases. Yes, very good, solids. So hence these solid particles enter into the space between the liquid particles, because to dissolve, on dissolving the solid in liquid, so the water level doesn't increase. Okay friends, that means there is something in between these water molecules. So what is that? That is space. So there is something in between these water molecules, that is space. So now I think you came to know that there is a space in between the matter. Okay, so thank you.